Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the expert interview training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to pass your SAP interview. So if you have an interview coming up for any role within SAP, then please make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I promise to help you to stand out and succeed. To achieve that goal, this is what I'll cover. I'll start off by giving you a list of SAP interview questions that I strongly recommend you prepare for. I'll then provide you with some example high-scoring answers to those questions to help you to succeed. Plus, I'll also make sure to give you some essential tips for passing your SAP interview, before finally telling you how you can instantly download these slides plus 25 great answers to SAP interview questions in a PDF guide. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to pass your interview by giving you brilliant answers to the toughest SAP interview questions. And I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Okay, let's take a look at that first SAP interview question, which is the opening interview question. Tell me about yourself. Now, this is a brilliant opportunity to get your interview off to a flying start and really impress the hiring manager. You can be the standout candidate by focusing your answer on the skills and qualities that you have. Do not talk about your home life or your personal life unless it's relevant to the job role. You can focus on your experience, again, make sure it's your relevant experience, and your passion for working in the role that you're applying for. Don't forget to also mention how you're going to add value to their company. How are you going to add value to SAP in the job role? Now, an easy way, a simple way to do all of these things is to make sure you study the job description and focus on telling the hiring manager how your skills are a perfect match to those that they've listed on that job description. So for example, if on the job description it states they're seeking someone who is analytical with great communication abilities, then throughout your SAP interview answers, be sure to use those exact terms and back it up with previous experiences of where you've demonstrated those skills and responsibilities. So let's take a look at a brilliant top scoring answer to that opening interview question. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for this opportunity. Having studied the job description in detail, I truly believe this is the perfect role for my skills and experience. I would describe myself as a technology enthusiast with a strong background in software development, having earned a degree in computer science. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with various technologies to deliver innovative software solutions, enhancing business processes and user experiences. My journey started with a small tech startup where I delivered a deep appreciation for agile methodologies and collaborative problem solving. Joining SAP excites me because of its global leadership in business software and commitment to technological innovation. I've always admired SAP's ability to integrate diverse systems and streamline operations, which resonates deeply with my passion for efficiency and scalability in technology. Beyond my technical skills, I bring a proactive mindset and a continuous learning attitude, eager to contribute to SAP's future projects and grow within the company. My goal is to leverage my expertise to help SAP maintain its competitive edge and drive digital transformation, delivering value for customers worldwide. Wow, what a powerful way to kickstart your interview and be the standout candidate. Remember, by giving a confident answer like this to that opening interview question, not only will you impress the hiring manager, but you'll also gain confidence in the rest of your answers to come. Okay, let's take a look at the next SAP interview question. Why have you applied for this position? Now, this question explores your motivation and alignment with the company's goals and culture. So my tip here is to be specific about what attracts you to the position and the company, such as innovation or culture, and connect it to your career aspirations, showing a genuine interest and a forward-thinking approach. Let's take a look at a brilliant top-scoring answer to help you. Why have you applied for this position? I applied for this position at SAP because I'm passionate about using technology to solve complex business challenges, and I see SAP as a leader in driving digital transformation globally. The company's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and its impact on a wide range of industries aligns perfectly with my professional aspirations and values. I'm particularly impressed by SAP's efforts in integrating AI and machine learning with enterprise solutions, which I believe are pivotal in shaping the future of business. Additionally, SAP's global presence and diverse work environment offer unique opportunities for personal and professional growth. I am eager to collaborate with talented teams from around the world and contribute to projects that not only enhance business performance, but also create meaningful change. This role is a perfect match for my skills and ambitions, allowing me to both share my experiences and continue learning in a dynamic, forward-thinking company. Now don't go anywhere, as I still have plenty more interview questions and answers to give you in this video tutorial, but when you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below this video. It will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my top 25 SAP interview questions and answers for all job roles to give you the edge in your interview. Okay, let's take a look at the next SAP interview question, which I strongly recommend you prepare for, which is, what project have you worked on that you are most proud of? Now this question gauges your passion, project involvement, and the impact of your work. So make sure you choose a project that aligns with the job role that you're applying for. Detail your specific contributions in that project and highlight the positive outcomes that were achieved, demonstrating your skills and values effectively. Let me show you a top scoring answer to this question. What project have you worked on that you're most proud of? The project I'm most proud of is the development and implementation of a real-time analytics platform for a retail client, aimed at enhancing their inventory management and customer engagement strategies. This project was particularly challenging due to the diverse and vast data inputs from multiple sources, including online sales, in-store transactions, and supply chain logistics. My role involved leading the integration of these data sources into a unified analytics dashboard that provided actionable insights through advanced data visualization techniques. We utilized machine learning models to predict inventory needs, optimize stocking patterns, and personalize marketing campaigns based on consumer behavior and trends. The impact was significant. Our client saw a 20% increase in sales efficiency and a 30% reduction in excess inventory costs within the first 6 months of implementation. This project not only bolstered the client's operational efficiency, but also deepened my expertise in handling big data and reinforced my ability to lead a team under pressure, ensuring both timely delivery and high-quality solutions. I'm proud of how we transformed data into a strategic asset for our client, aligning with their business goals and driving substantial improvements in performance. Okay, let's take a look at another SAP interview question. Can you tell me about a time when you used data to convince someone to see your point of view? This is a great interview question. Now this question assesses your analytical skills, ability to use data persuasively, and how you influence decision-making processes within a team or organization. Such a good question. Let's take a look at a great way to answer it. Now the best way to structure your answer is to use the STAR method, STARR. Now the STAR method is a way of structuring your answer to behavioral interview questions like these. So any question where you're asked to draw on a previous experience, you should structure it using the STAR method. So the STAR method stands for this. S is for situation. What was the situation you found yourself in? You then go on to describe the task. T is for task. What was the task that needed to be carried out? A is for action. What action did you take to achieve the task? The first R is for result. What was the end result following your actions? And the final R is for reflection. What did you learn from this experience? Let's take a look at a brilliant top scoring answer to this interview question using that STAR structure. So the question is this: can you tell me about a time when you used data to convince someone to see your point of view? In a previous role, we were considering 2 different software tools for project management. The debate was intense as both tools had strong advocates. My task was to objectively assess which tool better supported our workflow and long-term goals. I gathered data on key metrics such as user satisfaction, implementation time, compatibility with existing systems, and total cost of ownership. I analysed the data and created a comprehensive presentation that highlighted the advantages and disadvantages of each tool. My presentation clearly demonstrated that one tool significantly outperformed the other in terms of scalability and cost effectiveness. By backing my recommendation with solid data, I was able to sway the decision in favour of the more efficient tool. This experience reinforced the power of data-driven decision-making. It taught me the importance of thorough analysis and the impact of presenting clear, concise data to support a viewpoint. Now, in preparation for your SAP job interview, I also recommend you prepare answers to the following questions. Why do you want to leave your current position? Which of the SAP solutions interests you the most? What do you know about SAP's corporate values? What are your salary expectations? Can you tell me about when you've had to resolve a conflict between two colleagues? Why should we hire you? How would your skills contribute to the team's success? How do you handle stress and pressure in the workplace? What do you know about SAP? Can you tell me about a time when you went above and beyond what was expected? Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? What's your biggest weakness? Can you tell me about a project you were involved in with significant challenges? Can you tell me about a time when you worked with people from diverse backgrounds? So the next thing to do, if you want to get the full list of my top 25 SAP interview questions, and if you want to accelerate your learning even further to pass your interview at the first attempt, then click that link right now in the top right hand corner of this video or in the pinned comment below for 2 reasons. The first reason is it will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can get all of these answers we just covered, plus a total of 25 brilliant responses to SAP interview questions. And secondly, the next reason is I've given you some top interview tips and advice on that page to help you with your SAP interview. It's a brilliant resource, guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your interview, and also more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. Make sure you check out that link. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like these. And if you have any questions regarding any specific job role, do let me know the name of that job role in the comments section below this video so I can get back to you with even more interview tips and advice. I literally respond to every single person who leaves a comment on my channel, so please do reach out to me there. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your job interview. Have a brilliant day.